When you think of flying animals, what do you picture? Perhaps birds or insects come to mind. But did you know that there are animals that can fly, which are neither birds nor insects? In this video, we will explore some of these creatures. So let's get started. Number 10. Flying foxes. Flying foxes, which are also known as fruit bats, are fascinating mammals renowned for their large size and remarkable flying abilities. They belong to the family Pteropodidae and are typically found in regions across the globe, particularly in tropical and subtropical areas of Africa, Asia, Australia, and islands in the Indian and Pacific Oceans. With wingspans that can exceed 5 feet, flying foxes are among the largest bats in the world. Despite their size, they are agile flyers and can cover considerable distances each night in search of food. Contrary to their name, flying foxes primarily feed on fruit, nectar, and pollen, and play essential roles in pollination and seed dispersal within their ecosystems. These nocturnal creatures have a distinctive appearance, characterized by large eyes, fox-like faces, and leathery wings, which have captured the curiosity of researchers and nature enthusiasts alike. Number 9. Draco lizard. Draco lizards are arboreal reptiles found in Southeast Asia. They use a set of specialized elongated ribs to extend a membrane-like fold of skin that allows them to glide through the air with remarkable precision. This adaptation helps them escape predators, locate food, and move through the dense canopy of their forest habitats efficiently. Despite their small size, typically around 7 to 8 inches long, Draco lizards are skilled aerial navigators capable of steering and adjusting their flight path mid-air. Number 8. Sugar glider. The sugar glider is a small marsupial that is native to Australia and surrounding islands. These cute creatures are known for their remarkable gliding abilities and are part of the family Ptaridae. They have a fondness for sweet foods and can glide through the air with grace and precision. Sugar gliders have a unique membrane called a patagium, which extends from their wrists to their ankles and acts like a parachute, allowing them to travel distances of up to 50 meters in a single glide. Despite their small size, sugar gliders are excellent climbers and have sharp claws that help them grip tree branches. They are also highly social animals that form close bonds within their family groups. They communicate through various vocalizations and scent markings. In the wild, they mostly feed on insects, sap, nectar, and fruits, using their keen sense of smell to locate food sources in the dark of night. Number 7. Flying lemurs. Flying lemurs, also known as colugos, are gliding mammals native to Southeast Asia. They have a unique membrane called a patagium that allows them to glide effortlessly through the forest canopy, covering distances of up to 200 meters. Despite seeming clumsy on land, they are agile in the air and use their keen senses to find food. Flying lemurs are important to their ecosystems as they contribute to seed dispersal and forest regeneration. Number 6. Flying frog. Flying frogs, also known as gliding frogs, are amphibians found in Southeast Asia's rainforests. They have evolved unique adaptations, including expanded webbing between their toes, which forms a parachute-like structure when stretched, enabling them to glide from tree to tree. They use their gliding abilities to escape predators, locate food, and navigate their forest habitats. These arboreal creatures have vibrant colors and distinct markings that provide camouflage. Number 5. Flying squirrels. Flying squirrels glide through the air with grace and precision, using a membrane called a patagium. They are found in North America, Europe, and Asia, and come in several species. Flying squirrels are adept climbers, using their claws and strong hind legs to navigate trees. They feed on a herbivorous diet of nuts, seeds, fruits, and insects. These nocturnal creatures are important in forest ecosystems as seed dispersers and prey for various predators. Before we proceed, if you've been enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's continue. Number 4. Devil ray. The devil ray, also known as mabula ray, is a fascinating species of ray found worldwide. Their cephalic fins resemble horns or wings, giving them a devil-like appearance. They are known for their acrobatic behavior, often leaping out of the water and performing impressive flips and spins. Devil rays are filter feeders, consuming plankton and small fish by swimming with their mouths wide open. Number 3. Flying fish. Flying fish are remarkable marine creatures known for their ability to glide above the water's surface, resembling true flight. Belonging to the family Exocoetidae, these fish have evolved specialized adaptations that enable them to launch themselves out of the water and glide for considerable distances using their enlarged pectoral fins. Found in oceans worldwide, flying fish use their powerful tail muscles to build up speed underwater before breaking the surface and spreading their fins to glide. Their streamlined bodies and wing-like fins allow them to soar above the waves, escaping predators and covering distances of up to several hundred meters. Flying fish primarily feed on plankton and small organisms at the ocean's surface, using their gliding ability to access new feeding grounds and evade predators such as dolphins, seabirds, and larger fish. Despite their aerial prowess, flying fish must return to the water periodically to wet their gills and maintain their oxygen supply. Number 2. Paradise tree snake. The paradise tree snake, scientifically known as Chrysopelea paradisi, is a unique serpent found in Southeast Asia that is known for its remarkable gliding abilities. Unlike most snakes that slither on the ground, this arboreal snake has evolved a specialized adaptation that enables it to glide through the air from tree to tree. The paradise tree snake has a series of specialized scales along its belly that can flatten out, creating a rudimentary wing-like surface. By contorting its body and flattening its ribs, the snake can generate lift and steer its glide, allowing it to cover distances of up to 100 meters or more. These gliding abilities serve several purposes for the paradise tree snake, including hunting for prey, escaping predators, and navigating through the dense canopy of its forest habitat. Despite their seemingly perilous lifestyle, paradise tree snakes are skilled aerialists, capable of making rapid adjustments to their trajectory mid-glide. Their cryptic coloration and slender bodies make them well-suited to life among the treetops, where they primarily feed on small vertebrates and tree-dwelling lizards. Number 1. Flying squid. Flying squid, also known as the Japanese flying squid or Todorodes pacificus, are interesting marine animals found in the Pacific Ocean. They cannot fly in the true sense, but they have developed a unique way to propel themselves out of the water and glide for short distances. They use a strong jet of water from their siphon to launch themselves into the air, where they spread their fins and tentacles to glide. This technique, called jet propulsion gliding, helps them avoid predators like bigger fish and marine mammals and travel up to 30 meters. Flying squid are fascinating animals that show the ingenuity and diversity of marine life. So, in today's video, we learned about some animals that can fly, but they are not birds or insects. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll be back with more exciting content soon. Until then, stay curious and adventurous.